What's up everybody? Sean here with another lift roll video. This is going to be a little different video than what my normal how-to videos or little vlog videos and stuff are. This is just going to be actually me talking about something I've been using the last 6 months now, and it's just really kind of been beneficial for me. So what I've been doing is called grounding or earthing. So at the Abilities Expo they were giving out grounding kits, which just came with the long grounding wire and little patches to plug in. That plug into the wire, and then you basically just stick it somewhere on your body, which I would either use my palms of my hands or the bottoms of my feet, because that's just kind of what was recommended in the kit, saying it was the most conducive points of your body for the best circulation and for it to flow through your body the best. And so I was using those for about 6 months, and then about 6 months ago I was kind of looking into more stuff, and I found this company Be Well Grounding, which their website is bewellgrounding.com, and I got in contact with the lady there. Very nice, super friendly. We talked for a while about stuff, and she said that she would send me out a pillowcase and a sheet or a half sheet. Basically I can lay over the bed and the grounding plugs into that, so instead of having to worry about putting the plug on all the time, every time I got into bed I was grounding, and I was able to be able to ground my whole 8-9 hours I was in bed. So I've been using that for about 6 months now, and I have to say that my sleep is much better now. I get less spasms and woken up through the night a lot less. I wake up feeling more refreshed, especially after big workout days, after I've been trying to get, for rugby, or just right now, just trying to get back my strength up so I can just transfer and stuff again. It's been really beneficial. On the days when I'm really sore, really I can just feel my joints and stuff aching. If I get a good night's sleep on the grounding kit, I feel a lot better than I used to after a tough day like that. My recovery time has just been cut way down. It's been super beneficial for me. The inflammation is the main huge benefit that I just can't get away from, because my neck, shoulders, elbows, I get a lot of joint pain, a lot of tension, and it's just been something that's really seemed to help me out with not having as much pain, and yeah, it's just it's so much easier to work out the next day. Like right now when I'm trying to build up my strength and get back to my normal strength levels where I can do everything I was doing in my life before the whole Botox injections, and it's just been really beneficial in my progress getting back, because I wouldn't have been able to work, especially now that I'm getting older. I'm noticing, it's harder to push myself 5-6 days a week, working out, doing things like basically pushing my body to the max, and this is helping me be able to prolong that a little longer and push myself a little harder, because my recovery time has just been cut down pretty significantly. So super beneficial, super cool. You guys check it out, bewellgrounding.com. And this is not like a paid endorsement or anything. She did give me the sheet for free just to try it out, because I was talking about how much it helped me, how much I would like to try it more. So just full disclosure on that, but I just wanted to make a video to promote it because it really has helped me that much, and I can't say enough good things about it. So I go grounding, it's really a beneficial thing for your body, and I would suggest for everybody to try it, even if you don't have too much joint pain and things like that. If you're having trouble sleeping, it can even help your digestion. There's a list of benefits that it does help in your body. So try it out. Don't be afraid. This year at the Abilities Expo, I do not know if they'll be giving out kits again, but that is coming up in a few weeks, and I'm sure there will be some sort of information on there, and then also online. Just definitely look it up. There's a ton of sources you can find stuff on, and I'm sure you can search and do all your own research on there as well. So check it out. It's awesome. Go grounding. Alright, so that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to express how much I really have been enjoying this product, how much it's been benefiting me, and just wanted to share it with everybody. So that's about it for this video, you guys. Come back soon. I'll be making new videos. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click that like button if you liked it, comments, questions, anything like that down below, and live to roll, everybody. Let's get a fist bump.